Welcome to our journey on mastering the splits. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through each step to achieve this incredible flexibility safely and effectively. Imagine the benefits: increased flexibility, improved balance, and a great way to challenge yourself. We'll start with warm-ups, move on to building flexibility, and finally guide you to achieving the splits. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this video is tailored just for you. So, grab your mat and let's embark on this exciting path to flexibility. Stay tuned for more in-depth techniques coming right up. Before diving into the world of splits, it's essential to prepare your body with warm-up exercises. Warming up not only enhances performance, but also helps prevent injuries. Let's start with basic moves focusing on your legs and hips, crucial for achieving those perfect splits. Begin with gentle leg swings to get the blood flowing, followed by hip circles to loosen up your joints. Feel the gradual warmth spreading through your muscles, setting the stage for more intense flexibility work. These exercises are your best friends in preparing your body for the journey ahead. Now that you're all set, you're ready to move on to the flexibility techniques that will bring you closer to mastering the splits. Now that you're warmed up, it's time to focus on building flexibility. Developing your range of motion is crucial for mastering the splits, and it starts with the right techniques. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions to help you on this journey. Find a comfortable spot where you can concentrate without distractions. Our first flexibility technique involves gentle stretching of your leg muscles. Slowly extend one leg in front of you, keeping your back straight. Next, we'll move on to hip openers. Sit down with your legs bent and the soles of your feet touching each other. Gently press your knees toward the floor, using your elbows if needed. This exercise enhances the flexibility of your hips, essential for achieving the splits. The third technique focuses on stretching the hamstrings. Stand up and with your feet hip-width apart, bend forward from your hips. Patience and practice are key. These exercises should be part of your daily routine to see improvements over time. Remember, everyone progresses at their own pace, so be kind to yourself as you work through these techniques. In our next segment, we'll bring it all together as we attempt the splits. All right, you've made it to the heart of our journey, the moment we've all been waiting for. With your flexibility honed and confidence built, it's time to attempt the splits. Start by placing one foot forward and the other back, easing into a gentle lunge. Feel the stretch in your legs and hips. Remember, this is about gradual progress, so take it slow. Listen to your body. It knows best when to push and when to hold back. As you lower yourself, breathe deeply. Feel each muscle working, supporting you as you inch closer to the ground. Keep your back straight and core engaged to maintain balance and control. This isn't just a physical exercise, it's a journey of patience and perseverance. Safety is paramount. Always ensure you're on a soft surface to avoid any strain or injury. If at any point you feel discomfort, stop and rest. Visualize yourself achieving the full splits. Imagine how incredible it will feel to reach this milestone. But remember, it's okay if you don't get there today. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the process. You're doing amazing. As you continue your practice, you'll find that what once seemed impossible becomes achievable. We're almost there, so keep going. In our next segment, we'll wrap up with encouragement and tips on how to keep improving. You're well on your way to mastering the splits. Congratulations on taking this journey with us to learn the splits. You've done an amazing job following each step and improving your flexibility. Remember, mastering the splits takes time and dedication. So keep practicing and be patient with yourself. Every stretch and session brings you closer to your goal. Whether it's for dance, gymnastics, or personal achievement, your efforts are paying off. As you continue to practice, listen to your body and progress at your own pace. And don't forget, we have more tutorials and tips waiting for you. Why not subscribe to our channel? Join our community of learners and stay inspired as you discover new ways to enhance your flexibility and fitness. Thank you for being part of this journey, and we can't wait to see how far you'll go. Keep stretching, keep smiling, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. See you in the next tutorial.